Also guys, we have one more cool Discord award. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Open Discord, move to this gear and go on gift inventory and move here to view quest. After Bash Camper, now we have Clave Discord collection bundle. All you need to do, just go start video quest, click on it, go here verify and watch this video. After watching this game video, go here claim reward. Verify one more time and you will see Discord collection bundle. How to read them in game. You need to download game the first Descendant, press escape, go to option, on account in game settings, you will see enter coupon option. Enter coupon and press confirm, press G and you will get on mailbox to retrieve them. How to read in coupons page. All info you have here guys. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get cool Discord rewards. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and watch other new videos.